Hello. Accessing your Foundations of Computer Science class will happen through Moodle. It works best through the browser Chrome. Here is Google Chrome. I'm going to type in smcps.org. I will then click on Student, and then I'm going to scroll down to Academics. There we go, and here is Moodle. All right, so let that process for a second. That is the way you're going to find your course every time, unless you bookmark it. Okay, to log in, come up to your top right-hand corner and hit Log In. It did send you login information, and so you'll put your credentials in here and then log into the course. If you've ever had Moodle before, you are going to have to specifically look for the course Foundations of Computer Science. It'll be over on your left-hand side, your navigation bar. Okay, and you're not going to have to worry about any of that. I want to show you what it looks like as a student. You are going to come over here to Foundations of Computer Science, Summer School Year 2020, Session 1, okay? And then you'll just click right there. All right. Then, some things you need to know about this course. You'll always want to check for announcements. And as I said in email, I recommend you checking in every day just to kind of keep a finger on the pulse and know what's happening in the class. There might be an assignment that I notice a lot of students are struggling with, so I'll post some tips or quick screencasts to help you through that. Just check in every day and see what's going on. Take the weekends off, I suppose, if you want, right? So then you have an assignment right here called Introductions. Okay, so what I'm asking you to do, please, is introduce yourself to your classmates by sharing your name and your grade and one of the craziest things you hope to do in the next 5 years. Okay, to do that, you'll hit Add a New Discussion Topic. Remember, when you're representing yourself through print, you want to do your best. You want to think about capitalization, punctuation, and just put your best self out there online. Okay, to get back to our main page, you're going to come over here to your navigation area and click it. All right, please note all work is due no later than July 31st. If you're curious to know why, you can click that and learn more later. All right, here we go. Module 1. It's a human-computer interaction focus this week, and there are currently 7 assignments. To look at your assignments, you're going to give a click to the hyperlink and see what's going on. Read the text here, or if there are any links or Word documents, go ahead and download those. Look through absolutely everything. Pause and see if you can process it. If something is really causing you some stress, step away for a minute and then come back and reevaluate. If it's still causing you some trouble, feel free to send me an email. Okay? Once your assignment is complete, you're going to hit Add Submission. If you are working on an Apple product, you are going to need to download your assignment to a PDF, please, so that I can read it on my non-Apple. And if you're doing a video, it needs to be an MP4 format so that I'm able to play that, okay? So if you're doing a link to something like a Google Doc, you will link it here. Just put the address, add your link, and make sure you've given permissions to Wathen at smcps.org to open that Google document. Again, if you're attaching a PDF, you'll come down here and you will attach your file. You can just click and drag right in there, save changes, boom, it shows up for me to grade for you. Okay, oh no, how do we get back to where we want to go? Back over here to our navigation. Go ahead, give a click, and then we can see assignment number 2. Buying a computer, what? So you're going to do some research on different parts of a computer, different pieces, and then you're going to conduct an interview, and you're actually going to do that, and then you're going to take the information and put it into a slide deck or some sort of video presentation to let me know that you know some different ins and outs of buying a computer and that you are able to process all of that information to make a recommendation. So when you're ready to submit the assignment, you will see on this one here, there is no place to submit. Okay, so we can click right here and then Add Submission. Okay, this will be updated by the time you have the course, so do not worry about that due date right there. All right, so again, to get back, you're going over here, and I believe that is enough of a tour for you to be able to successfully get started in your class.